YOGANG, what's poppin'? It's the Chobani chicks.
Or the Gert girls.
Or the Gert girls, whatever you guys prefer. Okay. So, we just a big shout out to all you fans. It means a lot to us.
Okay, come on.
Like and subscribe.
Thank you down below.
Special guest.
Star.
He's replacing Caroline. Otherwise, I'm filling in for Caroline today because she's having ear surgery.
Yeah.
Disgusting. Disgusting.
Okay.
Wait, disgusting.
Who doesn't know how to
Tara, it's time for you to go to reset. Nova, you can go too. See ya there.
Oh, lucky.
Shout out.
Oh, yeah, they
Shout out
love
to
people
Nova.
get shout outs in our videos.
Alright, come here, Charlie. Come on.
Okay.
Come on. Charlie's our cameraman for today.
And sound engineer.
Get it good. Oh, look at that. Oh my god, that is so yummy.
Where's the toffee?
I don't know.
What is toffee?
I don't know.
It's like coffee, like.
No, I don't think it has anything to do with coffee.
It just rhymes.
Alright,
Yeah.
ready? Let's go get our scruples.
Scruples?
Oh, he has a fork.
I have a fork.
So you can get all the chunks.
Get the chunks.
Oh, I
Here.
got some chunks.
Ew.
Oh, it's dripping.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
Mmm.
No.
No.
It's salty.
Very
It's
bad.
really salty. Oh my god, I'm gonna spit it up.
Oh, it's really salty. Mmm.
It's really
It's so salty.
I don't recommend this
Sorry,
one.
beige, you're sitting there like.
Okay, wait, this one had, it had caramel low-fat Greek yogurt with pretzels, milk chocolate, and toffee pieces.
So what's what's the mouthfeel?
Oh, it's too salty.
Okay, it was
tastes like
the
I'm eating
yogurt
like.
was a little, the yogurt was warmer than the crunchy stuff, so that I didn't like that.
So okay.
I'm
it needs
sorry I took it out of my backpack.
To, it needs to be refrigerated.
Mhm.
Mouthfeel is salty.
And it was drizzly, it was wettish
It was-
too.
I don't think it was
like,
mixed enough.
I liked. Okay. I like the
pretzels were,
The pretzels were a nice
something
touch.
was really salty. I think there's like salt at the bottom
No,
of the
yeah,
thing
it
for
probably
the pretzels,
is.
and it was very
I think
salty.
there's salt in the yogurt. What is the sodium content in this one versus the other ones?
I don't know, we never look
There's
at
no
that.
nutrition facts. We don't get.
No,
that
they're right
away.
here.
Oh.
Serving size, container, potassium.
Milk chocolate toffee.
Sodium,
Toffee.
150 mg milligrams per 1 container.
Holy moly.
Is that a lot?
I don't know.
Okay.
Think about this. But I would give it.
Wait, hold on.
I don't think it was really better than any of the other ones. I think I'd give it.
It's not
like
salty. It's the pretzels.
It's the pretzels.
Okay, well the pretzels were too salty then. I'd give it like
Oh
a
no, ew, that's like
4.
chunky.
Give it like a 4.5.
Out of 10.
Yeah.
I give it a 3.
Oh.
I'm not a caramel fan, so yeah, it's a 3
Yeah.
for me.
The yogurt didn't even really taste caramel-ish. It was just kind of plain. Okay.
Okay. Thanks for watching our video. If you did,
Link, like, subscribe.
like, subscribe.
Share with friends.
Share with
guys.
all your friends. Become a fan.
We have merch.
Become a
and
loyal
We're
fan.
having
t-shirts
merch coming,
coming
guys.
soon.
Yeah.
Find us on Patreon and Twitter.
We're on Google Images
Instagram.
also. So.
Oh yeah.
That's really it.
Okay.